and welcome back to Get Fit by 50. I'm Mark Lee, and this is my week 17 Get Fit by 50 weight loss results video. And if this is your first time watching Get Fit by 50, then please hit like on this video and also click that subscribe button to be notified of new videos, and please follow me on all the social media links in the description. You should also binge watch all the previous videos to get caught up. Alright, so last week I lost 2.4 pounds for a total of 49.6 pounds in 16 weeks. I was so close to hitting the 50 pounds lost mark, but I missed it by 0.4 of a damn pound. I'm feeling confident I'm breaking 50 pounds this week though, but that's because I already know I did, and I gave it away in the thumbnail. So let's see what I did on week 17. Wednesday, I did 9,790 steps. This is another week off to a bad start. We actually had the first cookout in a while at Hooterville. I fried up some chicken wings and things and drank some beers and bourbon and cokes too. So that day I wound up with 3,558 calories. Now remember, you can see everything that I eat each day in the MyFitnessPal online diary, and the link is in the description below. Thursday, I weighed in at 292.2 pounds pre-poo. I did 7,490 steps and ate 1,444 in calories. On Friday, here we go, up from Wednesday, as the 2-day rule applies, I weighed in at 292.4 pounds pre-poo. I did 8,073 in steps and did 1,299 in calories. And Saturday, I weighed in 293.2 pounds pre-poo, still going up. And I did 12,679 in steps though, to make up, trying to get back down. I did 1,438 in calories. And Sunday, I weighed in at 291.2 pounds pre-poo. I did 7,763 in steps and ate 1,242 in calories. And on Monday, coming down now, I weighed in at 290 pounds pre-poo. I did 8,709 in steps and ate 1,230 in calories. On to Tuesday, I weighed in at 289.2 pounds pre-poo, lowest so far. I did 7,514 in steps and ate 1,780 in calories. And we ended the week on Wednesday morning weighing in at 288.4 pounds pre-poo. So here's my stats for week 17. You can pause the video to look them over, but I did steps totaling of 62,318, which beat my previous record on that one. I consumed 11,534 calories total for the week. And my total weight loss during week 17 was 2.6 pounds for a total of 52.2 pounds in 17 weeks. I'm officially over the hill. I'm over 50 pounds lost. That's about 33% of my year-long goal has gone by right now. So I still got another 50 plus pounds to go before I'm officially over the hill age-wise, not weight-wise, like I'm claiming now. So that happens on February 26, 2021. I'm going to keep plugging away. So I guess I got to say, rest in peace, Aunt Jemima. She was a fictional character played by a former slave named Nancy Green, who just had a great job for 20 years going around cooking pancakes. Just cooking pancakes. Nothing to do with slavery at all. She had a great job at the time, and now she and all the former Aunt Jemima actors' families are pissed off that her legacy is going to just disappear. And soon to also go is going to be Uncle Ben, the rice guy, who was actually a real person, who was a rice farmer. Nothing racist there. Cream of wheat guy, the black chef on the box, he might also be gone. He's just a black guy in the box. No big deal. And also Mrs. Butterworth is questionable up for coin toss of whether she's going to go too. So basically, if you're black and on a box, they're probably going to dump it apparently. Then they're going to complain about no black people on boxes anymore. So you'll see. That's what's going to happen. I guess ethnic diversity now is considered racist too, obviously. So if they keep on renaming all the food and the streets and buildings and tear down all the statues and monuments to wipe away our history and heritage, then at some point, slavery would by default have to be erased too. So, I mean, these rioters were actually tearing down statues of Abraham Lincoln. Hello? Emancipation Proclamation. Come on. They got no clue what they want. Resorting to crimes like vandalism, arson, and looting, that's not going to solve anything. All right. I'm done. I will get fit by 50 and lose 100 plus pounds. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Be safe out there. Hit subscribe. And please remember to use your damn turn signals. Thanks for watching Get Fit by 50. Please subscribe to my channel and also follow us on the social links listed in the description below. And why don't you go ahead and watch another one of our videos.